Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Which one of the following does not exist in the nucleus of a cell? Your right answer is plastidus. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following chemicals is known as aqua fortis? Hard water. Your right answer is Sandrate nitric acid. Option C is your correct answer. What is the goal of the Prime Minister Housing Scheme? Your right answer is House for Everyone. Option C. Who is the spine of modern industries? Your right answer is iron and steel. Option C. In what year was the exchange of the region of India and Bangladesh by their constitutional amendment? Your right answer is 2015. Option D is your correct answer. Generally, wind is visually dash than water and glass. Your right answer is sparse medium. Option D is your correct answer. Where is the Gor Mama Ra National Park located? Your right answer is West Bengal. Option C. 1200 BC. Where was the Birsa Shiv movement? Your right answer is Karnataka. Option C. When vapor is condensed back into water heat? Your right answer is liberated. Option B is your correct answer. In the northern plains, the soil of lime collection is called. Your right answer is Kansas. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is the mountainous river? Your right answer is River Ganga. Option C is your correct answer. Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali languages were now included in the 8th Schedule of Indian Constitution. Your right answer is 1992. Option B. What force is produced by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body? Your right answer is electrostatic force. Option A is your correct answer. The governor of state may remain in his position as per the wish of dash. Your right answer is President. Option D is your correct answer. Where is the famous Kandaria Mahadev temple located? Your right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following act clarified the difference between the commercial and political functions of East India Company for the first time? Your right answer is Pitt's India Act 1784. Option D is your correct answer. Bhima India interface for money mobile application was launched. Your right answer is 2016. Option B. What is the minimum age limit for joining the National Pension Scheme? Your right answer is 18 years. Option B. In 1761, after the defeat of which war, the Maratha were curbing the dream of ruling Delhi? Your right answer is Third War of Panipat. Option B. Which of the following model is based on the Indian federal system? Your right answer is Canadian model. Option A. Who built the famous city of Jaffna? Your right answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is related to Panchayat of Indian Constitution? Your right answer is Part 9. Option A. Which country won the hockey men's Asia Cup in 2017? Your right answer is India. Option A. Whereas the Convention of Indian National Congress under the chairmanship of Sarojini Naidu in 1925? Your right answer is Kanpur. Option B. In 1870 to 71, He was the founder of the Indian Reform Association. Your right answer is Keshav Chandra Sen. Option B. The highest bauxite production in the world is India's. Your right answer is Australia. Option C. Who is the supreme law officer of the state? Your right answer is Advocate General. Option A. Which company belongs to the Management of the Company Act? Your right answer is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Option D. Which of the following is related to the structure of the State Council of the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is Article 80. Option A. Significance of judo is found in wearing dash. Your right answer is collar belt. Option A. Which of the following is a triangular molecule? Your right answer is ozone. O3. Option D. In snooker, the ball is killed by the cue force, which is called. Your right answer is object ball. Option A. In 2016 Rio Olympics, which country did the gold medal in men's and women's basketball? Your right answer is United States. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is related to the study of fungi? Your right answer is fungal science. Option B is your correct answer. India's Finance Commission is formed. Your right answer is by President. Option C. If the displacement of the object is zero, then what will be the work done by the force on an object? Your right answer is zero. Option A. Which of the following cell organ is called suicide bag? Your right answer is lysosome. Option D. Twilight and rubbing is related to which game? Your right answer is curling. Option B. Which state has originated from the traditional Paithani silk sari? Your right answer is Maharashtra. Option D is your correct answer. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were accused in the dash conspiracy case. Your right answer is Lahore. Option B. Which of the following can reserve some type of bill passed by the state legislature for the consideration of the president? Your right answer is governor. Option C. The tropical convergence area happen with the virtual movement of dash. Your right answer is sun. Option B. What is the top surface of the earth surface called? Your right answer is Bhupati. Option A. Which of the following decision was given to the Sikh and Anglo-Indian people in separate India as a separate constituency? Your right answer is Communal Abbreviation 1932. Which forest tree do not have any definite time to drop their leaves? Your right answer is tropical evergreen forest. Option D. In which game is the skates used? Your right answer is figure skating. Option C is your correct answer. North star is the point indicating north direction. Your right answer is pole star. Option A. Which is the smallest of India? Your right answer is Kanchenjunga. Option D. Which of the following department does not come under the Ministry of Finance? Your right answer is Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion. Option A. This is our last questions of today class. Question of 50. Which war is related to Treaty of Gandhmak? Your right answer is Second Anglo-Afghan War. Option D is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.